This tutorial will guide you how to delete your account on remotejobs.io. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now make sure to log into your account. So go to remotejobs.io official website and make sure to log into your account. Now also log into the account that you want to delete. Select here on the member and then click manage account. Now one thing you'll notice is that there is no option for you to delete your account on the manage account. Instead, just scroll down here, you'll see contact us. So on this website for remotejobs.io, down here you'll see customer support. So click on the contact us page. Now on the contact us page, just you can either contact the support team through phone or email, requesting them to delete your account. As they say here through their privacy policy page, if you'd like to delete your account completely from our system, you can make a deletion request by sending an email to support@remotejobs.io or through any of the options available on the site. So to delete your account, you'll have to contact the support team either through the email or the phone number provided here, requesting them to delete your account. So it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.